Welcome to Llanelli Wetland Centre.
Now we're going to talk about flamingos.
There are 6 different kinds of flamingos, but here we've got Caribbean.
Flamingos eat tiny water shrimp to grow their pinky colour.
Flamingos feed by ducking their head in the water and moving their tongue 5 or 6 times a second. When feeding, the water comes into their mouth and the tiny ridges inside catches the shrimps.
In May, a flamingo lays 1 egg at a time. Swap the real egg for a fake egg, and then they put the real egg in the incubator. Once they hear it action, they put the real egg back into the nest, and they take the fake egg out, and then it hatches so that the baby flamingo knows its parents, and the parents knows it's the actual egg.
Now we're going to learn how to use binoculars.
These binoculars are blurry. I think I should make them focus. That's better.
I can see a... don't know what it's called. It's got a green head. It's a mallard.
These are really good. They help me find out which bird is which. I think these are in the middle are shovelers. They got a white, brown body and black. They got green head. They got orange feet. And that's it.
These are parabolic reflectors. What they do is they help you to hear sounds that you normally can't hear. They help you to identify which bird it is.
Yeah? Yeah? So that's a blue tip. Nicely high-pitched.
Hello, and today I'm here with Archie, Molly, and Miss Sammy Joe.
Hello, I am Sammy. I'm a learning assistant here at the Wildfowl and Wetlands Trust here in Llanelli, and it's basically my job to teach everyone about wildlife and why it's important and why we should protect it.
Okay, Miss Sammy Joe, if it's okay with you, we're going to be asking you a few questions about your job.
Sure.
So, how did you become a scientist? Or how did you train?
I went to university. I did 2 degrees, and they were both in conservation. And yeah, I learned everything from that.
So, why did you want to become a scientist? in the first place?
I was always really interested in animals and wildlife since I was about your age. I watched as many documentaries as I could on the TV on Animal Planet, as it was back then, Discovery Channel. Watched all about the wildlife around the world and here in the UK. And I knew I wanted to work with animals one day. I didn't quite know how, and it wasn't until I was in comprehensive school that I started to look at conservation and how to protect wildlife and how to get into those kind of degrees.
Hey, now Molly's gonna ask
What's
some
your favourite
questions.
bug?
What's my favourite bug? Oh, that's a difficult question. I really like beetles. And did you know that there are over 400,000 different types of beetle around the world?
Wow, that's something we didn't know.
That's a lot, yeah. Yeah.
I like your new things and new things every
It's
day.
red.
Big pinchers, yeah. They've
That's
got
my
nice
favourite
little
beetle.
feet.
He's like
New
that
things
food.
every day. New things every minute we're here.
And they've got very nice shiny bodies as well, some of them. Very
Yeah.
shiny, different colours, very colourful.
Rainbow.
Yeah, they could be different colours. They could be pink, they could be yellow, sometimes they could be green. Different colours for their different habitats.
Hang on, I looked in the sun.
How amazing is your job as a scientist?
It is very amazing, very rewarding to get to teach all of you guys. And I really enjoy it because every season there's something different.
What's your favourite fact?
Ooh, my favourite fact is about a pond creature, and it's called a flatworm.
What's that?
It's a worm that lives in the pond, and it is flat as a pancake.
That sounds disgusting.
It is, because he eats dead things at the bottom of the pond, and if you were to chop him in half, his head would grow back a tail, and his tail would grow back a head.
Oh,
He
no.
can regenerate. A bit like Doctor Who.
Oh.
They're cool.
Downside of being a scientist.
Don't scare you, I'm sorry.
Okay, so there's the downside of being a scientist, people. Okay,
Sometimes it gets a little gross.
like maggots. So Sammy, I'm gonna ask you some questions that I've made up, but
Okay.
we haven't actually thought of yet.
Go for it.
So Sammy, I've heard that here you take care of lots of different birds, but also you have some sort of breeding dog.
Breeding ducks? Yeah, we do. We have lots of different birds that we breed here, including ducks, geese, swans, flamingos, and also cranes now as well. We've got some red-crowned cranes. And a lot of these birds are on our conservation breeding program, we call it. And it's really important because it helps us to make sure that a species doesn't go extinct in the wild.